Ever wonder why your cat's purr is so soothing? There's more to it than just comfort. Your cat's purr might actually have healing powers. Cats purr at a frequency ranging from 25 to 150 hertz, and these vibrations have been linked to several therapeutic effects. Bone healing studies show that frequencies between 25 and 50 hertz can promote bone strength and repair. Cats are known to purr when they are injured, and this might actually be their body's way of healing itself. For humans, exposure to these frequencies could potentially support bone recovery. Pain relief: the vibrations from a cat's purr can stimulate the release of endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers. This effect is particularly beneficial for cats, but there's growing evidence that humans might experience similar pain relief just by being close to a purring cat. Muscle repair frequencies between 50 and 150 hertz are believed to promote the repair of soft tissues, including muscles. Cats purr to soothe themselves, and this vibration could be helping them heal from strains and injuries. For humans, these vibrations might also aid in muscle recovery. Stress reduction: the calming sound of a cat's purr can reduce stress and anxiety, not just in cats, but also in humans. The rhythmic sound can lower blood pressure, slow down your heart rate, and create a sense of calm, making your cat not just a companion, but a natural stress reliever. It's fascinating to think that the simple act of a cat purring could offer such a wide range of health benefits. So the next time your cat purrs while curled up beside you, know that they're not just showing contentment, they might be helping you heal too. Who knew your furry friend could be a natural therapist?